It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.